Hey guys, and welcome to Fashion 101. We're going to talk about all things apparel. Today, we want to talk about a few different things, including fiber content, fabrics, and how to care for your items. So Sarvana, did you know that we have a variety of fiber contents across the entire store?
We do. For our natural fibers, we have silk and cotton, and for some of our man-mades, we have polyester and rayon.
Yeah, exactly. And what's cool is the fibers can be turned into two different types of fabrications, a woven or a knit. So for our wovens, you're going to see things like a linen, a flannel, and for our knits, you're going to see things like sweater or even our faux fur. And what's cool about these fabrics is they have a bunch of different factors and fits and varieties, and it makes us give you options as far as silhouette and styles. So Kaylin, when you buy a garment from us, what's the first thing that we should look for?
The tag on the inside of the garment.
Okay, yeah, because that will have things like where it was made from or the fiber content.
Yeah, or even the care instructions.
Okay, yeah, that's super important. We love our clothes, we love that you guys love them too, but when it comes to taking care of it, that's going to have all the information that you need.
Everything.
Yeah, and by taking care of those garments, they'll last you for years and years and years, and that's super important.
Yes.
So guys, thanks for spending a little time with us and learning more about fiber and fabric. And we want you to make sure that you are aware of what you're buying before you leave the store, because it's really important, as we said before, to take care of those pieces so that they last. If there are any questions at all, please let us know. We're here to help, whether it's in store, online at rebelsandlovers.com, our Instagram, our Pinterest, we're here. We'd love to help you, and certainly feel free to give us a call at any point. We'll see you guys soon.